Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to use PageFly on Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify admin page and click on Apps. Navigate to All Recommended Apps and access the Shopify App Store. Search for PageFly. Once installed, let's begin customizing it. Head to the Page section and click on Create from Template. From the drop-down menu, choose Regular. Various customizable templates will appear. To find a perfect landing page template, go to the Type section and select Landing Page. Browse through the options and select the template that best suits your needs. Now, let's start customizing the template. Begin by changing the banner of our page and remove any unnecessary information. Once you're satisfied with the overall look, name your landing page and obtain a URL for it. Next, let's add a section to display our products. Click on a plus button and select the template for the new section. Choose the layout that fits your preference. To add products to this section, navigate to the right section of the screen. Click on Product Source and select All. Your products will automatically link to the page. After linking the products, scroll down and insert sections such as Why Choose Us and Customer Reviews. Additionally, include a section for discounts and social media links where you advertise your products. Once you have finished adding all the necessary information, click Save and publish the page. As you can see, our landing page is now saved and published. By following these steps, you can use a PageFly on Shopify. Thank you for watching.